Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Nazrin bin Wan Rustan and I am the team leader for Group Larva. Today we are going to be presenting on our group project called entitled Royalty Free World. But before we want to introduce our website is all about, I would like to formally introduce my group mates that have helped me and make this project a success. Namely, firstly we have me, Nazrin, as the team leader. Secondly, we have Brother Safian. Thirdly, we have Brother Azri. Fourthly, we have Brother Taufik. And last but not least, we have Brother Shahiran. Okay, so introduction. What is Royalty Free World? Well, Royalty Free World is a website that promotes the use of royalty free and non-copyright music, sound and assets. So what is royalty free sound, music and assets? Basically, it is everything that can be used by users that is non-copyright and will not be struck down when we use it for our own personal and presentation use. For example, when we upload a video to YouTube and we use copyrighted material from an artist, the artist has the right to sue us as it is using their own work without their permission. However, if we use royalty-free music or non-copyrighted music in our videos, it will not be taken down as it is under the Creative Commons license, which can be used by everyone and is safe to be used in our presentations, videos and personal use. Okay, so let's move on to our core objectives of this website. For the first and foremost, naturally, we want to beat copyright, as Royalty Free World aims to provide an extensive collection of royalty-free music, sound and assets to the general public. We would also like to ease the search navigation by providing accessible and easily navigatable source of navigation for the users on the website. And we would also like to promote Sharia compliancy in our website by providing appropriate, safe and clean types of music and sound for the user. We would also like to empower users, creators and artists to upload, share and download this royalty-free music by using royalty-free world. And last but not least, we would like to apply Laravel framework practically, as we want to apply these concepts and principles of Laravel that we learn in our web application class to successfully produce this royalty-free world website. That's all from me for in the introduction and the objectives. I will pass the floor to Brother Safian. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Safian. So now I will continue the presentation about features and functionalities for our web application project. So for this part, we have divided into three main parts, which are core features, e-commerce features and also support features. Right, for the first, for our core features, we provide an easy and clear navigation that make it easy for users to find what they want. And next is security. We use this to allow users to register and log in before they use our website. And then music and artist list that help users to browse through different artists or genre easily. And then the file upload and outload to allow users and artists to upload and or download music files. And next is this is the main features, which is free royalty music. This provide music that safe to use without copyright issue, especially someone that content creator. And last is database management to make sure our system always organized and updated. So for the e-commerce features, we have merchandise shop, a place where we sell products from artists or band like shirt and accessory. And next is premium subscription. Users can pay for this to get more special features like to download free royalty content. And last is online payment service that provide easy and fast transaction on our website. And finally is the support features. So first is the customer service. We provide online or automated helper to any user who has a problem. And next is about us and also social media for users to know about us and follow our update. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Taufik bin Washbisha with metric number 2413943, responsible for ERD and relationships. So to make it easy to understand, we start with the user. They're the center of everything. When someone signs up, a user record is created. That one user can then do everything on the platform, listening, downloading, buying, subscribing, and getting help. If the user is an artist, a special artist profile is created and linked to their user account. From there, the artist can upload many music tracks, group those tracks into albums, and list their merchandise to sell, like shirts, CDs, or anything else. When a regular user interacts with music, every time they download a song, a download record is saved, storing which user downloaded which track and when. This is how the system tracks free versus premium downloads. When a user is shopping, they place an order. That order breaks down into order items. One roll per product they bought, once one per product they bought. Once they check out, a payment record is created and linked to that order. When a user subscribes, a subscription record is created showing their plan like free or premium, and when it expires, the subscription also links to a payment record separate from merchandise payments. And when a user needs help, they submit a ticket, which creates a customer support record link back to the account. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azri. Today I'm going to show you and bring you to the core user experience of our new royalty-free music platform. What we are looking at right here is a circle diagram. So basically the step-by-step journey of our listener from the moment they hit the site to the moment they download a track. So starting off with the search, our listener will land on the homepage and type in the vibe or the music they are looking for. So the system instantly route them over the search result that we are designed to be the super direct. So there is no waiting around. It's just an immediate jump into a playable music. So now here, where is the experience that really shine? When they click the play on the sound, we don't force them to load a completely new web page. Instead of our audio player just smoothly slide up from the bottom of their screen, the music start playing, and the best part is they can actually keep scrolling through the search result without the song ever cutting off. Finally, the download process. Once they find that perfect track, they hit download and pick their file type and track the download in the background immediately. It will hands them the exact copyright text they need to copy paste straight into their YouTube description, and that's the complete flow. The whole goal here was to make a finding, previewing, and download music as fast as possible. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syahran Afandi Bazli. So I will briefly explain about our mockup web app, which is called Royalty Free Web. So here, first thing first, we have a sign in and sign up option for the user to create their account. On the navigation pane, we have 4 elements. First, let's look at the library. In the library, the user can access to the copyright-free media. So it's divided into 3, which is music, sound effect, and pictures. So for the music, the user can filter based on their preferred artist and access to their music. Also, the user can follow them. And for the sound effects, especially for the content creator, they can use this effect for their video for free, same as pictures. So moving on to the merchandise. First, the user have to select their preferred artist and gain access to the latest merchandise. So for the premium is where the user can upgrade their plan to have the highest quality of downloads, premium only content, and so on. And lastly, for the upload part, where the user can upload, such as the artist can upload their music here, and we will filter it and see whether it's royalty free or not. And on the bottom here, about us, about our website, our licensing info, and so on. And also, we have our customer support on frequently asked questions and so on, so that the user can access to the problem. Also, we have our social media handles that user can follow. That's all from me. Thank you.